And we are back. Pulse Radio and Palm Desert campus weather is calling for sunny skies all the way through New Year's with highs in the upper 80s. Quite a bit different than our other campus in San Bernardino is experiencing.
According to the National Weather Service, in just 1 hour yesterday here in the campus area, about 1.8 inches of rain fell. It did so much damage that classes here had to be canceled for the day.
That's right. This holiday season, a tropical storm took the San Bernardino campus completely by surprise, flooding many buildings, classrooms, and teaching labs. As the wind and rain washed everyone's holiday spirit away, the College of Arts and Letters thought all was lost too.
Hello everyone! Thank you for getting here on such a short notice. I'm sorry, but we'll have to cancel a holiday party. I'm really sorry. It was raining so hard. Our buildings are flooded. There's nothing we can do about it. Wait, did you hear it? It sounds like music.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling. I'm happy again. I'm laughing at clouds so dark up above. The sun's in my heart and I'm ready for love. Let the stormy clouds chase everyone from the place. Come on with the rain, I've a smile on my face. I'll walk down the lane with a happy refrain and singing, singing in the rain.
Look everyone, I guess we are going to have our holiday party after all. Rain or shine, we would like to wish you happy holidays. From College of Arts and Letters. Happy holidays!
Thanks to the magic of music, the College of Arts and Letters was able to come together and bring out the sun again. We hope this holiday season shines a light on all those near and dear to you. Warmest wishes from our family to yours.